You've been told that analyzing the data is the way to be successful with Etsy print on demand, but when you're sifting through 200 million Etsy listings, it's really hard to decipher what is the data you should be paying attention to. In this video, I'm walking you through the types of data that you should be paying attention to in order to grow your print on demand business or launch a print on demand business. Most sellers get stuck in what I like to call the data paralysis cycle, where they're looking at a bunch of data and they're unable to determine what are the key points that should be directing your strategy. Luckily for us, we can utilize different data analysis platforms like Everbee, who I'm partnering with today, to actually see signals on what is performing well on Etsy. But we need to be able to chunk out that data and point our attention to the right types of listings. They recently launched a few key filtering and badging options that are going to make your life much easier when it comes to understanding what is performing and what is just noise. For those of you that are new here, my name is Megan, and in 2023, I launched my own print on demand business, scaled that business to over $250,000 of revenue. And now in addition to running that business, I make videos like this, walking you through how to launch your print on demand business or scale your print on demand business, not just on Etsy, but on platforms like Shopify and TikTok Shop as well. If that's interesting to you, hit the subscribe button. I post videos every week. And today I am walking through Everbee, the extension, and how you can utilize that for your own Etsy print on demand business. I myself started my print on demand business on Etsy and have made the majority of my revenue there just based off of the demand that is present on that platform. And I've been utilizing Everbee for over 3 years now to help understand which data points are important to incorporate into my business. And they recently launched a few different features that I have been playing around with and am loving them. So let's walk through them. If you are new to the print on demand game, Everbee is a backend Chrome extension that actually allows you to see different data points about what is performing well on Etsy. Once you have it downloaded, you have your little research partner here in the left-hand panel. We can actually analyze different shops. We can start to get an understanding on which listings are driving different sales based off of the data analytics that are a part of the platform. And it can be a good litmus test of where you should pay your attention across the 200 million listings that are on Etsy. I have plenty of tutorials. I will drop a link to those in the description below. But what I'm pointing your attention to today is this new feature here. So what I've done is I've gone onto Etsy and I've typed in back to school. And typically the next step that I would do is just immediately go over to my product analytics and start to play around with this data and filter this data down. But they've actually made a few tweaks here that are really important. So right now you can see on my screen this new show only tab, and we can actually start to filter this data down. So they have a couple different filters, the one being bestseller. They also have free shipping, and they also have popular now. We can add on all of these. We can add on one of these. It's totally up to us on how we play around with this data. But let's talk about why these are important. If we are wanting to look for SKUs and items that are best sellers, you couldn't do this before. Etsy actually used to allow you to filter this down in the side panel themselves for bestsellers, and then they kind of got rid of that, and there was like a workaround way for how to find that. Everbee now lets us see only the listings that have been awarded this bestseller badge. And in order for you to get a bestseller badge, this is a really hard thing to do. You don't get this badge unless Etsy has deemed that you have had strong sales over a period of time. So these are not going to be those flash in the pan products. They're going to be products that Etsy is showing has had strong, consistent results. Popular now is a little bit different, where this is showing that this category and these products are noticing a strong uptick in search demand, and it's trying to signal to the buyer that this is a product that you should be thinking about now because it might be one that might sell out or something of that nature. So both of these badges are really important for buyer trust because it shows that you either have strong success and a track record of really great sales, or this category is kind of popping off right now and you can kind of get the product while you can. They also launched a free shipping one that allows you to filter down to just the products that are offering free shipping. So if you are wanting to launch a print on demand business or scale your print on demand business and have been playing around with the ideas of different shipping options, free shipping is one that can totally change the trajectory of your business. Etsy has come out and said that if you are offering a shipping rate that is above $6, they are going to knock your listing shipping and impressions. They're gonna actually tamper down the amount of impressions that you're gonna be able to get, because their data shows that a shipping price over $6 deters the end buyer. So by offering something like free shipping, that is going to be an immediate trigger that customers are loving and might increase your conversion rate. So this allows you to see those listings that are being competitive and offering free shipping for their products as well. The last new feature that I'm going to point you to is the hide ads toggle. So many of you have come into my comments when I post about Everbee and have noted that this data is great, but how do I know which products are actually being advertised versus organic? And so this toggle actually allows you to toggle off all of the ads and hide all those products, so we just see the products that are not an actual sponsored listing. So I've been loving playing around with these toggles to actually get an understanding of when I type in a specific term, what are the listings that Etsy is serving to me on that homepage when I filter out the different sponsored listings to actually see which products are just organically being served more to customers. And I use that data to understand what are the different types of mockups that they're using. Are there different product categories or design aesthetics that seem to be rising to the top? So I've done that exact same thing here for back to school, where I've just typed in back to school. I want to understand, let's take a look at popular now. I'll take off the free shipping one because I don't really care if it's free shipping. And then I'm hiding the ads here so I can start to see what Etsy is serving. There's lots of really bright colors that are coming to the top. There's personalized t-shirts for first grade, second grade, principal. Videos are coming to the top as well. All of these are trends that we know are important with print on demand, but being able to do this research at a specific category level is incredibly helpful, especially if you're wanting to break into one of these niches. What I'm loving is noticing things like this that are actually showing these like really cute mock-ups where people are going really in depth with the type of care they're putting into their mock-ups and making sure that they are super customized, more lifestyle centric. It's not just flat lays of any of these products. They're showing all types of different ways you can utilize the products, and the videos are popping up here too. I just posted a video about the bachelorette niche as well, so I'm gonna do the same type of research within the bachelorette niche as well. And it saves my filters that I've dropped down there. So I can come into here, it shows the 6 ads that are hidden, and it shows all the different listings that are popular now. So we're able to see kind of beach banners. These are really popular with print on demand. You can absolutely find these products on a platform like Printify. We're seeing this like stripe aesthetic come through super hard as well. More of these like tapestries. We knew these tapestries were gonna pop off. The stripes are just super, super popular right now. What's really interesting about this data, when I look at something like 4th of July, we're really entering into that peak season and the peak time frame where people are getting their 4th of July gear. What's great about these Popular Now badges is that the Popular Now badge comes directly from Etsy. We are utilizing the Everbee backend plugin to try to get some sorts of data pieces about what is performing well. However, Etsy doesn't just tell Everbee exactly how many sales are happening. Everbee utilizes their proprietary algorithm based off of the reviews and different data pieces that it can access through the Etsy API, and then tries to extrapolate a directional idea of how many sales are happening for these listings. So it uses like listing age, how many reviews are coming in, and then it has like averages that it backs into when it gives us these like revenue projections. So why I love this data and now being able to toggle for this is even though something is showing on Everbee that it's not actually driving any monthly sales, we know that if it has that Popular Now badge, people are 100% engaging with this and are purchasing it. It's just the listing is probably too new to actually have accurate Everbee data. So these are like diamonds in the rough that we can start to get an understanding on what's performing well before everybody else actually sees the revenue numbers. So for example, these 2 listings are perfect. Both of them have been live for only a month. This could be like a week. We just know it's less than a month. This one in particular has gotten over 600 views, and this one has gotten over 2,500 views. We know these are popular now because Etsy had given them that badge What we don't know is how many sales have been driven by this, but if it has that popular now badge, it's a good bet that these listings are driving a high number of sales, and we can take those insights and actually start to apply them into our own design aesthetic and our own strategic process too, before actually other people get a hold of these and know the actual revenue behind them and then just try to copy them. I never recommend that you copy. I recommend we use the data that we have at our disposal to incorporate all those different themes into our own listings and driving our own businesses. Everbee is the research partner that I have been utilizing for my business for the last 3 years because I like being able to have all these different features. I can essentially analyze keywords, I can create my own kind of folders, and I can organize my research in a way that makes sense for me. If you're interested in checking out Everbee, I will drop a link to them in the description below. You can sign up for their platform completely for free, but a lot of these features are just going to be available within the growth plan. I was able to work with them and get you 2 months for the price of 1. So that will be linked in the description below. So you can get a little bit of a cheaper test run if you're wanting to check out more of their platform. Any questions with Everbee, any questions with trends on Etsy or just print on demand in general, please drop them in the description below. I will catch you in the next one.